This isn't merely a return. It's Darko reshaping his narrative. When the lights dimmed and the audience fell silent, many assumed it was the end. But true champions are not created in the spotlight. They are molded in solitude. Darko didn't vanish. He rebuilt himself. Day after day, when no one was looking, he persisted. Chilly mornings, heavy weights, burning lungs, trembling muscles. Pain became a part of his routine. Discipline became who he is. This transformed physique isn't just impressive, it's hard-earned. Every vein has a story to tell. Every repetition is filled with regret, desire, and passion. Every pose shouts, "I refuse to give up." People notice the abs. They overlook the sacrifice he made. They see the confidence. They don't sense the doubts he overcame along